Day 12 of my 14-day makeup challenge that's Marvel superhero inspired. It has taken me months to complete this project, oh my goodness. As you've noticed, I've probably been posting a lot more shorts on this channel because I feel like it reaches way more people than my actual videos do, but I really am determined to finish this series and then I'll go back to posting more shorts. Today we're doing Spider-Man. I'm gonna be honest, this is a very hard one for me because Spider-Man has probably the most recognizable look. So I want to show you two versions of the designs that I've done. And I believe I'm going to go with version number 2 because I think version number 1 is still too on the nose for me. And you know, the thing with Avant Garde makeup and me as an artist is that if it looks a little bit too cliche, like it looks like it could be too recognizable, I run far away to the other side. Basically, I still wanted stripes, like lines, so that it reminds you of spider webs, right? I hate spiders. Ugh. And I wanted the colors red and blue and black. However, I wanted to go more emotional, or I guess metaphorical with this, and find a way to make things more of an entanglement. But before we get started, I want you to tell me if you would like to see Captain America or Thor in the next video. Day 12! Ow. Day 12! Spider-Man! Today I'm not going to do my usual tutorial where I talk about how I created this look. Instead, I wanted to take the time to chat with you directly, and I wanted to be able to continue the conversations in the comments as well. What's been really exciting recently is that ever since YouTube introduced short videos, I've been able to reach a way bigger audience than ever before who want to consume my content in small chunks. I'm so happy that so many of you have found my content through those videos. That being said, it's been a major goal for me to also consistently produce long-form videos, and I haven't been able to successfully do that just yet. Long-form videos are so much more tedious to create, but they have a lot more heart in them. While I know viewership isn't a huge deal for many, as someone who looks at the numbers as a way to judge if my audience wants to continue to see this type of content, it's difficult to watch them stay pretty low and static while my shorts are clearly what's drawing people in. Now, YouTube is the only platform where I currently produce these longer videos, and I feel like it helps you get a chance to get to know me on a different level. I'm so torn between continuing to just produce more shorts versus spending more time on these higher production videos, so I wanted to just check in and see what you guys are looking for. I know that the people who do watch my longer form videos always comment and are so positive and absolutely supportive, but if you're watching this video for the first time and you've never seen one of my long form videos, I would love to get some feedback in the comments and just let me know what you guys are interested in and what type of videos you're interested in. That way I can make better videos for you. And this is the final look. Before you go, make sure to choose between Captain America or Thor for the next video. As usual, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!